Emmanuel Macron from France. It is important we let you know why Kenyans made noise to you at the University of Nairobi Taifa Hall. It wasn't because of disrespect or hatred. They had a message for you that their taxpayers' money has been used and wired to French firms to a tune of Kenya shillings 7 billion, being proceeds of crime, as their children are not in school and they have no food on the table. Mr. Macron, this is how it happened. On September 30, 2020, under President Uhuru Kenyatta's government, French firms were awarded a Kenya shillings 159 billion contract to build the Nairobi-Nakuru-Mau Summit Road. However, the deal was cancelled by President William Ruto administration even before the contractor commenced works, ushering in Chinese contractors to give room for corruption. The entry of the Chinese contractors, CRBC, came after the president visited Beijing in April last year. Based on reports emerging in May 2026, the Auditor General has flagged the irregular diversion of approximately 7.3 billion Kenya shillings from the fuel levy intended for road maintenance to pay French firms for the cancellation of the Rironi-Mau Summit toll road contract. Mr. Macron, your French firms had a contract of 150 billion for a bigger scope. The Chinese firm CRBC firm takes it to 200 billion on a smaller scope, creating a 50 billion fund for corruption by William Ruto and the Chinese contractors. But your biggest interest and the reason why your French firms accepted cancellation of the Mau Summit was to get 7 billion shillings without doing anything at all. Mr. Macron, you are an accomplice in the 7 billion Kenya shillings theft from the people of Kenya. That is the money you have actually come to negotiate in Nairobi, not the summit that you are attending. Kenyans, this is a message Kenyans was passing to you yesterday. If you do know why they made noise, now you know. Kenyans are asking you not to leave our borders with this money. We need it to pay school fees. Mr. Macron, if Kenyans meet you elsewhere, they will make more noise. The children of Meru County risk missing going to school because your French national is demanding 64 million shillings from the county administration. This is due to a contested hotel, Leopard Rock at the Meru National Park. Mr. Ruto knows about this hotel more than anybody else. Be informed that the military pact that you signed with Mr. William Ruto in 2025 on defense cooperation has caused a lot of discomfort to the people of Kenya. Kindly revisit. And as we speak, there is no contract yet for the construction of the Rironi-Mau Summit Highway because Mr. William Ruto wants an upfront bribe of 17 billion Kenya shillings delivered to him in cash by CRBC. But the CRBC are demanding the contract first before they give the money, and William Ruto is demanding the money before he gives the contract. That is the situation that we are in. So, ladies and gentlemen, those